Are you looking for something fun to drive but don't want to break the bank? We have this fresh trade from British Columbia 2016 MINI Cooper Clubman S available at Kramer Mazda. This handsome blue hatchback with white color hardtop roof will set you apart from the crowd. This Mini comes from its original owner with low mileage and 2 sets of tires with alloy wheels. This is equipped with an automatic transmission, 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine that pumps out 189 horsepower and still very easy on gas with only 7 liters on 100 kilometers. This Mini is fully inspected at our certified shop and also comes with our 136 Smart Choice buying program on top of manufacturer's warranty. Come down to Kramer Mazda today to test drive this Mini.